So they're in Salisbury today. No, Shrewsbury. Easter Sunday, so I think everything's shut, which is an ideal opportunity for us to have a look around because no crowds. Not too sure what's here yet. We've not done any research at all. We're just going to have a wander about towards the river, see what we find. Come across a nice little park. Our Riverside walk down there. Hercules statue.
That's Hercules, isn't it?
Yeah. Didn't realise he had wings. Say hi to Hercules. Very nice. So it looks like there's a riverside walk down here, which we're going to have a wander down to. Big building over there. It's a beautiful day. Ice cream van. Oh.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah, nice bird is singing, isn't it? Oh, I wish you could. This smell is lovely, isn't it? I wish you could smell this. Lovely. Flowers. A bandstand over there. So just have a little sit down in the park, lots of families around, and we've got a big fairground, which is okay if you're a kid, I suppose. I won't be using any rides. Just over there, you see it. Ghost train and the like. I need to use the toilet. Don't anybody say it's dead quiet in here. It's wrong.